Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to fix Fortnite error code 3005 on PC. If you're getting this launch error when trying to play Fortnite, don't worry. We've got some simple steps to help you fix it quickly. First, let's try closing any unnecessary apps that might be interfering with Fortnite. Right-click on your taskbar at the bottom of the screen and choose Task Manager. This will open a list of running programs on your computer. Now, right-click on any apps you're not using, like background programs or tools, and select End Task to close them. Make sure apps like Discord, Steam, or other launchers are also closed, as they can sometimes cause conflicts with Fortnite. After closing those apps, try launching Fortnite again to see if the error is gone. If that didn't work, let's move on to turning off your virus protection temporarily. Click on the search icon in your taskbar, type in Windows Security, and open the Windows Security app. In the app, click on the option that says Virus and Threat Protection to access your security settings. Under this section, you'll find Virus and Threat Protection settings. Click on Manage Settings to open more options. Here, toggle off real-time protection, then click Yes if Windows asks for confirmation. Next, turn off Cloud Delivered Protection, which helps Windows detect threats from the cloud. Then, switch off Automatic Sample Submission, which sends suspicious files to Microsoft for analysis. Also, disable Tamper Protection, which stops other programs from changing security settings. Now, restart your computer to make sure all changes are applied properly. Once your system reboots, launch Fortnite again and check if the error code 3005 has been resolved. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more easy fixes.